Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, why? She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man la umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit laugh, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Hungry, no food inside. But we sing a man la moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay.
Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough but me will hear the drum beat from the distance, Africa calling. Even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustle it in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure but we no retreat, cause iron heart still a beat, beat, beat. Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when they push you to the darkest side, chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on the tree. Speak truth about love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flow in you and me.
Hey Mama Africa,
we hear you calling ya.
Oh Jah Jah,
guide we soul, never let we fall.
rise up warriors,
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we roar once. Lion heart still beat. Let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet. fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me are walking. No change, no fear, just love we speaking.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Mama Earth crying,
Drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down.
Die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up.
walking through the valley of shadows and pain. But me spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break
but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No transplant, we so no fear in a crowd. From trends down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we stronger. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion sand. Lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Ay, 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 ay. Whoa, hey. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no aim. what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston Street to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Oh, oh, ah. Yeah. Oh, now. Oh, now. Yeah. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by my face. Mama pray in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with the heart full of fire. No change for my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in the night sky. Whoa, like stars in the night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing to hunger around. Africa my blood, Jamaica my song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Jah light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold on a free soul life. Africa calling back we to the roots, so right. Rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we on. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Oh, to rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Rise up. Purple vision. Oh, still grow. They call it illegal, but I call it wise. Medicine sent from the highest skies. Herbal vision, open up my mind. See the world so pure, so divine. No more chains of Babylon's lies. Let the smoke rise, let the truth rise. Babylon judge what they don't understand. Breaking nature with their wicked hand. But the healing of the nation is real. In every leaf, just love we feel. Let it burn for the sick and blind. Let it free the captive mind. This is no crime. This is God's design. Natural law over man-made line. Natural law over man-made line. Nature law over man-made line. Herbal vision, open up my soul. Herbal vision, open up my soul. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sent, unity are the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand. Me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart,
Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still there on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, your light never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clear in a Zion breeze. Freedom grow like fruit on the trees. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root at the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song.
Roots man never go wrong.
From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, Jah, we still hold on. Roots man leave, never gone.
Roots man vibration, shake up the wall. Freedom voice, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing their song. Roots man heart forever strong.
Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground.
Roots man still drum.
Roots man vibration,
Just still tell.
roots man,
Roots man and David.
roots man vibration,
Roots man and David.
feel it in the ground.
Africa mama,
Roots man vibration,
feel your call. One world, one love for all that can. One world, one love for all that can.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul when never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. But granny tell me long ago, and feet. Them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain. Still we smile and call your name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion. Yeah, the light of Jah upon the lion. Yeah, righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry?
We coming home, we coming home.
From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky.
We never alone, we never alone.
Lift your voice, lift your soul.
Zion fire make we whole.
Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, sunshine over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Yeah. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one name. One love, one name.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim.
from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant on Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Whoa. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu. Jah fire keep the spirit bright. Way up, drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. No rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore, love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's sight. Yeah, roar, lion roar, for the children of Zion. Once more, rise, oh lion, rise. Let your fire light up the sky. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I wake up to the morning light, though the world is cold sometimes. I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way, Jah guide my way. Jah guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes. But I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace, let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind, leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day, keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Oh, Jah guide my way.
She tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love fi change your life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away, till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above. Forever rebel of love. Inna the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom and in land. Love go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love. Ooh, oh, Ubuntu brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry on. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the mire, from trench town to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong. Beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love.
wash away the deepest stains.
Hold the fire, keep it burning bright till the whole world step into the light. Yeah, yeah. Just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on me ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go.
Tears turn to freedom.
No more fear.
Jah whisper healing in the air.
From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop.
Tears turn to freedom.
Hand in hand,
One blood, one love across the land.
though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Yeah, yeah. Freedom coming in the morning light. Oh, wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love, carry me through the fight till darkness fade out of sight.
Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, na, na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, we wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a the struggle me find me peace. In a the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm. Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation. Guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore. Jah light forevermore. Yeah, na na. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Na, 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 na. Jah light forevermore.
so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Giant. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jah crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, Jah sun still rise in the morning. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them still with gold, them still with name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live, we never die. Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Pause. Who will fight for the youth, them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Lion heart freedom, lion heart freedom, yeah, lion heart freedom, lion heart freedom, yeah, lion heart freedom, lion heart freedom. Yeah, I say one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. Ooh, yo, 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 yo.
Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on under the sunset of Trenchtown. Trenchtown, fire in the sky. Jah bless say goodbye from pain to love. We build our sound under the sunset in a trench town, sunset over trench town. Rhythm so sweet, love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench town sound, trench town sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame, say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody, every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown, we're kings and queens of trench town. Sunset of trench town, light in the breeze, sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound, we're free in the sunset of trench town. Sunset over trench town, light in the breeze, sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound, we're free in the sunset of trench town. Moja unity forever, trench town people rise together. From Kingston to Accra call, one love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over trench town. Sunset over trench town, fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround, peace and pride in a trench town sound. Sunset over trench town, burning gold, story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, your light shine on trench town. Me walking by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day. Trench town, live forever. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore, I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets
clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world don't care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break, friend. From Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, shine bright tonight.
Raindrop fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love.
Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune or fame, still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your wash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips taste like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal me. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal me. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving how the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, our rain falls, love call, you and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun arise pon the hill. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma. Do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong. Still we stand, from Kingston town to Addis Ababa. We sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep trying on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song?
Hey Baba, we are strong.
Will you fight till Babylon fall?
Oh yes, we answer the call.
Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. Jamaica, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari.
Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I want to hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. In your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. Me see the children hungry crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway, spirit of love guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together, we stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa.
One world, people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit